Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 4. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed how to find the missing digits in addition. In this video we will learn how to find the missing digit in subtraction. Today our topic is finding the missing digits in subtraction. Here a chart has been shown. In the minuend, the last digit that is in units place is missing. We have to subtract 55,386 and we will get the difference 23,356. If we see in the units, we can see that there is 6 in the subtrahend and the difference is there is also 6. We have to find from which number we will subtract 6 and we will get the answer 6. We can say that from 12 if we subtract 6, the difference we will get will be 6. Difference is 6 and the digit subtracted is also 6. As we need 12 in the units place, we will write 2 in the units place. We will take one borrow from the tens and we will get 110. It means 10 units. Here we are left with 3 tens. Now if we subtract 6 from 12 units, we will get 6 here. After the subtraction of units, we will move towards the tens. As we cannot take away 8 tens out of 3 tens, so we take borrow. We regroup the hundreds and take borrow 100. From 700 if we take one borrow, here we are left with 6 hundreds. In tens column now we have 13 tens. We have to subtract 8 tens from 13 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. From 13 we have to subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If we subtract 8 from 13, we are left with 5. So we will write 5 in tens column. After the subtraction of tens, we will subtract hundreds. We have to subtract 300 from 600. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Out of 6 we have to subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. And here we are left with 1, 2, 3. So we will write 3 in hundreds column. After the subtraction of hundreds, we will subtract thousands. We have to subtract 5 thousands from 8 thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From 8 we have to subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we are left with 1, 2, 3. We will write 3 in the thousands column. After the subtraction of thousand, we will subtract 10 thousands. We have to subtract 5 10,000s from 7 10,000s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 7 we have to subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we are left with 1, 2. And we will write 2 in the 10,000s column. The difference is 23,356 and the missing digit is 2. In this video we have discussed how to find the missing digit in subtraction. In the next video we will learn addition and subtraction word problems. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.